Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Ron's Keto, Chaffles for Life, episode number 30. We're making Hamburg Chaffles today, but we're going to do something different today. Today we're going to take 1 egg, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, simple seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, a little bit of Italian seasoning, everything all to taste. Mix everything up in a measuring cup, and then we're going to take about 1/4 of a cup of ground beef Hamburg already fried up. Mix it in with the egg and cheese mixture and put it onto the mini dash and heat it up. Get those going, and then a couple minutes later, I had 2 Chaffles that were really, really good, and I thoroughly encourage you when I have extra Hamburg. I'll be making this from time to time. And I ate mine just plain the way it was. It was really great, but you could put a bit of sugar-free ketchup on there, maybe a pickle or something like that would be really good. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video and have an amazing day. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill.